The ticker tapes are humming, the telegraphs are clattering, and the crypto front lines are ablaze with activity. Let's roll out the latest dispatches from the world of digital finance, a realm where fortunes can rise and fall faster than a stockbroker's hat in a hurricane. First up, the grand old champion of crypto, Bitcoin, has done it again. Earlier this week, the mighty coin blasted through $125,000, a record high that sent champagne corks flying from trading floors to living rooms. For a brief, shining moment, Bitcoin towered over Amazon itself in market value, cementing its place as one of the world's most valuable assets. Traders were jubilant, declaring a new golden era for digital currency. But the celebration was short-lived. Within days, a wave of liquidations swept across exchanges, wiping out billions in leveraged bets and dragging the price back to around 112,000. Some exchanges even saw flash crashes near 105. Analysts blame overextended positions, profit-taking whales, and a good old-fashioned dose of panic. Still, veterans of the market insist this is merely another battle in Bitcoin's long campaign. The flag may be tattered, but it still flies high. Our next story brings a chill in name, but not in spirit. ICE. That's right, ICE. And before anyone panics, no, not the government agency that goes around kidnapping Mexicans or whoever Donald thinks stole his watch. This is the Intercontinental Exchange, the very same fine folks who own the New York Stock Exchange. This ICE is pouring a cool $2 billion into Polymarket, a crypto-based prediction platform where traders can wager on everything from elections to entertainment. It's part Wall Street, part Carnival fortune booth, and all business. The move marks one of the largest traditional finance incursions yet into Web3, signaling that prediction markets are about to step out of the shadows and into the spotlight. Quite the turn of events, from the floor of the NYSE to the digital trenches of decentralized speculation. Say what you will, but this ICE isn't deporting anyone. It's just deporting old ideas about finance straight into the future. Meanwhile, in the corridors of power, tempers are flaring hotter than a vacuum tube on overtime. Senators are deadlocked over the long-awaited crypto regulation bill. Republicans are pushing to move it through committee, arguing that clear rules will foster innovation, while Democrats are calling for stricter safeguards to protect ordinary investors. Lobbyists from major exchanges and blockchain outfits have crowded the Capitol, pressing for favorable terms and shouting slogans about financial freedom. But as each side digs in, the only thing being minted is more uncertainty. It's another political stalemate, and if history is any guide, the only thing to look forward to is more talk and cold coffee. In market news, S&P Dow Jones has unveiled something rather extraordinary, the brand new Digital Markets 50 Index. It's a bold experiment, blending the worlds of crypto and traditional equities into one grand ticker of tomorrow. 15 digital assets and 35 crypto-connected companies now share the same marquee, a curious cocktail of innovation and tradition. The index aims to capture the heartbeat of the modern financial age, where tokenized assets and listed stocks increasingly dance to the same tune. There's even talk of tokenizing the index itself before year's end. Imagine that, folks. An index you could trade as easily as lighting your desk lamp, though best not while driving your Buick. And finally, bureaucracy meets blockchain in a twist of irony fit for the record books. The US government shutdown has brought the SEC's crypto review process grinding to a halt, including that much-anticipated Solana ETF. Applications from multiple issuers were poised for approval before the freeze, leaving hopeful investors staring at blank screens and empty calendars. Analysts warn the pause may ripple into other ETF proposals waiting in the queue, but the industry isn't standing still. Developers continue to build, exchanges keep expanding, and traders, ever restless, press on in defiance of red tape. After all, if the digital age has taught us anything, it's that the blockchain marches forward no matter who's clocked out. And that's the week's roundup, folks. From Bitcoin's roller coaster ride to ICE's chilly billions, from political wrangling to bold new indexes and bureaucratic standstills, the world of crypto never sleeps. Keep your ledgers close, your wallets backed up, and your spirits high, because in this market, fortunes move faster than a telegram through a switchboard. Until next time, this is your correspondent signing off, reminding you, stay sharp, stay curious, and never bet the farm without checking the chart.